Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create this Dutch braid ponytail to yourself. Begin with the partings. First I create the soft triangle shape on top of my head. As you can see, there's no sharp edges. Before starting the braiding, I spray some water to my hair. Then I take a small piece of hair from the front and share that piece in 3 equal strands. Then I start the braid regular Dutch braid, bringing strands alternately under to the middle and adding hair from the both sides of the braid. Especially on beginning, be careful not to add too much hair, cause in that way the braid will grow too fast and the shape doesn't keep tight and neat, and also the braid will get easier lost from the middle, as it's important that it will start from the middle of your forehead and continue middle of the parting. So left under, add hair, right under, add hair, left under, add hair, right under, add hair. And as you can see, when the braid grows, also the strands I'm adding in will grow. Next I will create the lace Dutch braid to the right side of the first Dutch braid. I spray some water to my hair, and then I start from the front with a small piece of hair, share that piece in 3 equal strands, and start the braid again, bringing strands from side under to the middle. This time I add hair only from the right side of the braid. Right under, add hair. Left under, no adding. Right under, add hair. Left under, right under, add hair. Left under, right under, add hair. Keep on repeating like this. Next I will create the similar braid to the other side. Only separation is that this time I will add hair in from the left side, so the braid will be like a mirror if you compare that to the first one. So right under, no adding. Left under, add hair. Right under, left under, add hair. Right under, left under, add hair. Right under, left under, add hair. Keep on repeating like this. Next, I will create the ponytail. I create a total of 4 ponytails. And then I start to backcomb them one by one. Just roughly backcomb. After I've done that, I brush them a little bit through so they won't be that messy. It just gives a little bit texture for hair. The end result, the hair will look much more bigger than it actually is. And here you can see the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Have a great day and happy braiding!